Can you believe Bitcoin just hit $100,000?
It's
I mean, it's
unbelievable.
like I can't even wrap my head around it.
Seriously, it's insane. Remember when we thought $20,000 was huge? And now look at it.
Yeah, I know, right? And with Trump's sudden change of heart on crypto, it's even crazier. He's now pushing to make the US the crypto capital of the planet.
It's like he's done a complete 180. Wasn't he
Exactly.
calling Bitcoin a scam a few years ago?
He was, but now he's all in. It's wild. He's proposing
Yeah.
a national strategic Bitcoin reserve.
Wait, what does that even mean? It's
Well,
like building a digital Fort Knox, storing Bitcoin as a national asset.
that's a massive move.
It
And he's
is.
appointing Paul Atkins to head the SEC.
Atkins? Isn't he the guy who's pro-crypto regulation?
Yeah,
He's been
exactly.
advocating for lighter regulations in the crypto space.
But isn't there a risk in easing regulations too much?
You know,
I think it's about finding that sweet spot between innovation and protection.
yeah, but I'm a bit skeptical. What if it leads to exploitation?
That's a valid concern.
We have to ensure there are safeguards in place.
Exactly. We can't let enthusiasm blind us to potential risks.
Absolutely.
Responsible growth is key.
On another note, institutional investors are jumping in. Even
Yeah.
pension funds are investing through Bitcoin ETFs.
That's a big deal. It shows a
It really
level of
is.
trust we haven't seen before.
But why ETFs?
Well,
They allow investors to gain exposure without holding the actual asset.
so it's like they're testing the waters. It's less
Exactly.
risky and more accessible.
Makes sense. But do you think this institutional interest is driving the price up? It's definitely a factor, combined with political support.
But is this sustainable? I mean, can the market support these levels? The
Well-
crypto market is notoriously volatile.
That's what worries me. We need to be
I hear you.
cautiously optimistic.
And what about the cultural shift? Crypto's even at the forefront of pop culture now.
Yeah,
Like Trump's inauguration with Snoop Dogg and Rick Ross.
that was wild. I never thought I'd see the day. It shows how
Haha,
far
same
crypto
here.
has come.
It's not just for techies anymore. It's becoming
Exactly.
part of everyday life.
But with that comes responsibility, right? We have to
Definitely.
consider ethical implications.
Like the environmental impact of mining operations. It's a serious issue we can't ignore.
So while it's exciting, we need to stay grounded. It's a
Couldn't
balancing
agree
act.
more. Well, it's going to be an interesting journey ahead. Can't wait
For
to see
sure.
what happens next.
Do you think this shift could influence other countries' policies on crypto? If
Absolutely.
the US takes the lead, others might follow suit.
But that could also spark a regulatory race, right?
Yeah.
Nations competing to attract crypto businesses with lax regulations.
That could be risky. We might see a race to the bottom in terms of oversight.
That's
It's
a
important
concern.
for international cooperation on standards.
Agreed. So, what's the average person supposed to make of all
Well-
this? It's an opportunity, but also a time to be informed and cautious.
Do you think people should invest in Bitcoin now? I
Um,
wouldn't give financial advice, but everyone should do their research.
Fair point. It's important to understand the risks involved.
Exactly.
Crypto can be volatile, and it's not guaranteed.
Maybe it's better to focus on the technology behind it. Blockchain
Definitely.
has applications beyond currency.
Like in supply chain management, voting systems, and more. The
Yes.
possibilities are vast.
So perhaps the real revolution is in how blockchain can transform industries. It's
Couldn't
about more
agree
than
more.
just price speculation.
Well, this has been an enlightening discussion. I'm excited
It really
to see
has.
where this all leads.
Me too. Let's keep an eye on it and catch up again soon.
Absolutely.
Thanks for the chat.
Anytime. Take care.
You too.